What's up, guys? I don't know if you guys had this issue where the bumper on a Toyota Corolla keeps coming apart. The design is horrible, and it's because this clip is not catching. So what I'm going to do is try to make a hole into it so I can run a very slim zip tie. Small modification, so hopefully this holds up better than the clip. This should be good enough. And I just want the zip tie to catch right here so it holds the clip in. I got these small little zip ties from Home Depot. Very, very small, so they should not interfere with it clipping back on. We're just gonna run the zip tie through there. This is gonna be the finicky part. I'm trying to catch it. Okay. And you want to make sure this part's in the inside so it's not too much. So we're going to try just zip tie it in and then tuck it. So hopefully it doesn't catch too much. We'll see right now. Let me just get this piece off. Alright, let's hope this works. And there you go. You barely could see it, but now it's not going to come apart unless you hit something like I did. Easy solution. Zip ties only costed, I think, $6. And it's actually on there pretty good. I could zip tie this end, but this end, it's going to clip. So I wasn't too worried about this side because this side stays in pretty good. Yeah, that's good. Perfecto. Don't mind the bugs. It's love bug season in Florida.